Okay. Good morning. Is it good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time which you are watching this video? Okay, it's another moment. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Dex Live TV. Guys, I hope you are doing fine. In case you are new here, make sure you hit that subscription button. We are road to 2,000 subscribers. Watch time hours still they are going up and up, guys. It's because of you. So in case you've been watching my videos, you've not subscribed, make sure you just hit the subscription button below. Today is another day. I want to show you something. Okay, today we are going to do something about networking. Even if you are not an IT expert, today I'm going to show you something about IT. I'm going to teach you something about IT. So with me, I have this. It's called Ethernet cable. This one, it's a Cat 6 cable. You can, I don't know if you can see it, but it's labeled Cat 6. It is used mostly for CCTV installation and Ethernet connections. So I have some tools with me also. This is a crimping tool. It looks like a plus. This one. I have also another something else. This one, it's called RJ45. I don't know if you can see it. This one, it's an RJ45. It is the one which is used to connect to the computer, to the TV, or anyway, it's used as an input or output of Ethernet. So I want to show you how to connect this cable. First of all, okay, I had already prepared this one, but we can do it again. So first of all, you make sure you cut this one slowly to make the edge even, like this. It's not even, you can see it. No, if my camera can focus on this one. Okay, after you cut, there is a hole here. After you close the gripping tool, kuna haka kashimo, there is this hole here. You just insert your cable there, about a half an inch, a maximum of 1 inch, and maximum of 1 inch. Okay guys, I was interrupted a little bit. So after we cut our cable, you just insert your cable here inside this hole. You just cut slowly. You are cutting the sheath. There is a sheath or the cover of the cable. Evenly you rotate it slowly. Make sure you don't cut the wires inside. Yeah, to be more careful, you can just remove it slowly like this. Slowly. Let me do this to reduce the noise. Okay, also inside this cable there is something else you need to know. Inside this cable there is this plastic thing. There is a thread here, this one. It helps the cable to be stronger in case if it is hanging on the air, it does not lag. Is it called lagging or sag? Yeah, haiteremki chini sana. So here we have our cables, we have our wires, we have they are colored. We have yellow, we have not yellow, but we have orange, white and orange, green and white. We have blue and white, and we have brown stroke brown. So these cables, they should be arranged in a certain order for you to connect to the Ethernet effectively. For you to connect to the Ethernet effectively, you have to arrange them in a certain order. So there is an order which you are going to arrange them so that they can fit inside this RJ45. So the first color we have, this is an old RJ45, don't worry. Okay, we have the first color. The first color is always white orange. We have white orange, this one, followed by the orange color itself. The orange color itself. We have white green. We have white green. Then you combine with something else. You can also confirm, because I'm confirming my RJ45 the way you are going to place it. So the first color we have said it is white orange, white green, then blue. The colors should not match while arranging the cables. White green, then blue. Next we go to white, no, not white, but after blue we are going to white blue now. Yeah, remember we've said the first color is white orange, white green, blue, white blue. Then we go to the green color. After green color we are going to brown, white brown, then brown. Yes, let us confirm our color code. Before we cut them. We have the first one is, I want to point with something. The first one is white orange, blue, white blue. No, please, I'm sorry guys, I beg your pardon. I want to bring it out clearly. You don't have to mess here. So the first color we've said it is white orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. In case you are colorblind, make sure you confirm with the color with someone who knows the colors very well. I'm sure I'm not colorblind. So let me repeat. The first color, white orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. After you've arranged your Ethernet cable, your color code, there is this clipping tool now. Because they are not even on the edges, you just make sure that they are straight and you cut them across slowly to make them even or uniform. You can see it is flat on the edge or at this end. Now pick your RJ45. This side where we have these metal clips, there is a copper. This one is copper. Yeah, so you insert on this side, not this side yenye iko na hii kitu, the one which has this protruding something here up. So you are going to use the flat surface. The flat surface is the one which you are going to insert your cable. You insert slowly. Yes, then you push it until you can see the cables inside. In fact, the RJ45 is transparent for purposes of seeing if they have reached on this end. We say zifike mwisho kabisa. So yes, they are good. Now we have this, our creeping tool. We have two edges. The first one, this side, the one has this, you can see it is going to, we are going to press the copper clips on this side. So you insert your RJ45, and on this side we have a hole on the RJ45. You make sure this side, which has this small thing here, it is going to get inside this hole, and then you press the way you press using plus. So let's do it. It is a process. You have to be very careful, because once you mess with the RJ45, it means that you won't get connected to the Ethernet. So there we have our cable. You just press it slowly, and then we have our cable. You pull out. Now our cable is strong. We have our cable. On this end, I had already made the RJ45. Is it in good condition? Let me confirm. White, orange, white, green, blue. They must be uniform for that case. White, orange, white. Okay, they are good. So make sure the way you've done on this end, you do it the same on the other end. Now it's time to connect to our router. My router is over there, so I'll go and get my laptop to see and confirm if the RJ45 is working, or we've made our connections well. Guys, just be a little bit patient as I have my laptop. Sorry. Just a minute. Okay, now this is my router. I have my router here. I have my router over here. We have on this side, we have these ports over here in our router. So I'm going to use one of the ports, the LAN. Let me say my LAN 2 is empty. You just insert here until you hear that clicking sound. Then we go on this end. We are going to connect to our laptop or computer. Okay, as you can see here, I have my laptop. This is my laptop. Let me insert the cable. I'm going to insert it slowly. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm done with inserting the cable. So now let us confirm our Ethernet. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see this. Where is it? Where is it? I want to show you. We have this one. We click and see if our cable is working. Let's wait and see. There we go. This is my internet. It's called Dex Live TV. That one. There we go. If it's connected, it will show you something like a desktop with a cable there. So, and it is saying, we can read and see, it says connected. Okay, to confirm, we can go and open a new tab. You open a new tab to confirm if you are. Let's try to search something like Dex Live TV. Dex Live TV, that is my YouTube channel. We are going to search and confirm if our Ethernet is working. Dex Live TV. Let's see. Okay. Let me see. Dex Live TV. Yeah, it has brought something about Dex, but we have several. Yeah, we have different websites. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't worry. Don't be worried about my place or my venue of shooting this video. Yeah, it's my small crib. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. In case you need to know something else about the Ethernet cable, get to reach me out via my WhatsApp number, that is 0795144752. And also you can comment in all my social media platforms, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere. It is Dex Live TV. Dex Live TV. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Adios.